In this video, we will be discussing about Lean UX methodology, a game changer when it comes to fast product development. Hi everyone, this is Rajesh and welcome back to VRAR. Lean UX is your fast track ticket to create user-centric products. It's particularly handling when you are working with agile development. Lean UX is all about developing value to users quickly and effectively. It's a very iterative process where designers are constantly testing and refining their ideas with real users. This process condenses the UX process into 4 critical steps: hypothesis, design, develop, and test. Let's discuss each step a bit in detail. During the hypothesis phase, the team formulates assumptions grounded in the business requirements and the secondary research they have conducted. Instead of conducting actual user research, the team relies on informed conclusions about user behaviors. They try answering questions such as what are the genuine user needs, when and how do users engage with the product or service. Based on these considerations, the team then crafts hypotheses to guide the design process. Once hypotheses are in place, Lean UX moves swiftly to the design phase. This is where you create low-fidelity prototypes or sketches based on your assumptions. It's essential to keep this design minimalistic, focusing on core features of user interactions. Once low-fidelity designs get approval and align with other stakeholders, the design team progresses to develop high-fidelity prototypes. The primary objective here remains speed and efficiency, enabling swift visualization of concept and sharing them effectively with the engineering team. After the design phase, the next step is develop. Here your team takes the designs and transforms them into a working model or a minimum viable product. This doesn't mean building the entire application. Instead, it's about creating a simplified version that embodies the core functionality you wanted to test. The develop phase emphasizes speed, allowing you to get your product in front of the users as soon as possible. The test phase is where the Lean UX approach truly shines. You take your MVP and put it in the hands of real users. These users provide feedback and insights that you can use to validate or invalidate your initial hypothesis. This feedback loop is incredibly valuable. It allows you to make data-driven decisions, prioritize features, and iterate on your design. Lean UX has a number of benefits. Lean UX is a very fast-paced process which allows you to deliver value to the users quickly. It is also an efficient process as it focuses on reducing waste and duplication of effort. Lean UX is a user-centered process as it involves consistent testing and refinement with real users. It's a very collaborative process as it requires designers to work closely with developers, product managers, and other stakeholders. Lean UX is a great choice for projects where speed is important. You need to learn quickly your users' needs. You are working on a fast-paced, dynamic environment and you have a limited budget. In Lean UX, the process isn't linear. It's iterative, with each steps informing the next. This iterative nature ensures that your product is continuously evolving to meet user demands and deliver exceptional user experiences. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Lean UX, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about UX design. Cheers.